Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically what we had yesterday, this is a daily time frame. We can see that yesterday market reacted pretty, it closed in the middle. We had basically the close also within the previous range environment. So this was a more like a failed breakout or a fake breakout of this inside day. And the key support area around 1.2350 area held very successful, and we got today a higher high. So this is a good sign for the further upside movement short term. The market is trading in a strong upside environment in the last couple of months. And this is a very important, actually ultra important support zone, and we got rejection yesterday. So I see the potential for the higher prices in the next period towards 1.2530 and also 1.2640, like a bigger upside objective. Gold market is pretty similar. We're also having like a multi-month upside environment there, and the key support around 1950 area. This is a support cluster. It's also the area from the previous major swing high, and it's a Fibonacci confluence and agreement from this ABC. So there is a definitely, yesterday we had more like a test and close on the high. Today we already had a higher high so far, so there is a chance for the price to go towards 2000 mark and then potentially to go in 2045 and 2078. So upside definitely in the play. Alternative scenarios, of course, if the market can clear the 1950 area, and then eventually there will be a chance maybe to even go towards 1937 or towards that 1910, but this is only if we can trade below 1950 and hold below 1950 mark, which is definitely not the case in this area here. It's actually quite opposite. And we have a crude oil, so the crude oil actually traded higher, and now the price is sitting exactly this area of the resistance. So we'll see. This is very important to watch the price action around this level, because if the market can trade above this 74.40 and hold above, then the next area, next upside objective will be at 76.76, and then the next one will be around 79 mark. From other side, if the market can trade lower, build some lower highs and lower lows intraday, might also try to react based on previous day up, so might also go to the maybe 72.85 or even to the 71.90. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, again, this is the big area where the market is trading. So market initially traded lower, it faked the sellers and returned back, and now it still is building this consolidation around this key important cluster. So depend on what we can see here. If the market will break and hold below, then 25,820 might be in the play, and even 24,000. If the market can trade above this 27,600 and hold above, then it can open the door for 29,800 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.